Tanisha from video team in Big Dreams of Tanisha. Today I am in Sultanpur National Park or Bird Sanctuary. You can find many birds here and it's too nice. It's amazing. And so let's get started. Watchtower, indoor precipitation center. Okay, for indoor precipitation center we need to go there. So let's go there. Guys, I was just gonna fall now. This is a place where there are too many switches over here. Whenever we will press this, so it will show the roadway of that bird. So this is, for example, first we will do Malurad. This comes from Kazakhstan, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Then we will do Pinchain. It is also coming from Kazakhstan. Where this Malurad comes.
If you press this key, you will know that this bird is coming from this part. This is Kazakhstan. They migrate from this place, arrive this place. Why they do migration? Why they do migration?
Because it's very cold in that place.
And what happens if the place is cold? क्या होगा अगर सर्दी है वहाँ पे तो उससे क्या होगा?
They can't survive because they don't have that much of temperature.
Winter is also here.
But in India it is much more warmer for them. In India for them.
Okay.
Thank you.
Food कम हो जाता है ना?
Yes.
इसलिए.
There is a place where we can hear the sounds of those birds. First we will do this green barbet. I can't hear. It's not working. क्या?
3.5 kilometers.
Only?
Periphery जो है.
Oh, nice. Just look at those trees. There are कितने सारे birds हैं. मुझे भी पेड़ में बैठने का मन कर रहा है उनके साथ. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. Don't take it serious. Wow! When they fly, their wings turn out so big, bigger than them. Wow! So many trees and so many birds. Sorry. Wow, see, so nice birds, so many birds. Actually, birds are always nice. Nobody can say that they are gross. They are always nice. They are so good. They are so kind too. Your heart's stable. Wow. Where it ran? It ran away. Ran away.
हाँ
shooting videos from tower. That is why I'm a bit down. Nice view. Now I don't want to climb है ना? हाँ? Wow! There, what? Wow, there, look at there. In board, I saw that it was written Jal. It was written in मैंने जो देखा था बोर्ड में कौवा Jal. So beautiful. पापा किधर चले आए हम?
अरे रास्ता बनाएगी
Okay, so my papa said that we are walking on a road. When I asked him that where we are walking, so he said that we are walking on home, means road. I felt that this was a joke, and I should not ask that. That I completed my all these steps. Let me see how much I ran today. 4,933 steps. Oh my gosh. Wow. बहुत अच्छा व्यू. मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे. I don't know. ना मैं आपके लिए वीडियो रोकूं, ना मैं वापस घर जाऊं. But rule is rule that हमें जाना पड़ेगा 4 o'clock और अभी हो रहे 1:56 और बहुत तेज धूप हो रही है. वाह. तो फिर आप ज़रूर कोशिश करना विज़िट करने के लिए सुल्तानपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी और सुल्तानपुर नेशनल पार्क. इसमें आपको डिफरेंट स्पीशीज़ ऑफ बर्ड्स भी देखने को मिलते हैं. कई बर्ड्स मुझे दिख रहे थे लेकिन आई एम वेरी सॉरी दैट मैं वो वीडियो में कैप्चर नहीं कर पाई थी. लेकिन अब मैं आपको जो व्यू दिखा रही हूँ वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. अगर मुझे कोई टावर दिखता है तो फिर आई विल श्योरली क्लाइंब एंड शो यू द व्यू ऑल्सो. दैट्स अ हेलीकॉप्टर. This is the tower. Right there. This is the first floor. Let's climb the second floor. Come on. It is the second floor. Now we are climbing to third floor. Come on. can see those water birds. There are flamingos. Amazing. Eagles, flamingos, stork. Wow. The problem is that now I climbed and फिर अब उतरना बड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है. Let's try to